Probability theory and statistics have some commonly used conventions, in addition to standard mathematical notation and mathematical symbols. Probability theory. Random variables are usually written in uppercase Roman letters, X, Y, etc. Particular realizations of a random variable are written in corresponding lowercase letters. For example, x1, x2, xn could be a sample corresponding to the random variable x, and a cumulative probability is formally written to differentiate random variable from realization. The probability is sometimes written to distinguish it from other functions and measure p so as to avoid having to define p as a probability, and is short for where is an event and a corresponding random variable, or indicates the probability that events A and B both occur, or indicates the probability of either event A or event B occurring. Sigma algebras are usually written with uppercase calligraphic. Probability density functions and probability mass functions are denoted by lowercase letters, e.g., f. Cumulative distribution functions are denoted by uppercase letters, e.g., f. Survival functions or complementary cumulative distribution functions are often denoted by placing an overbar over the symbol for the cumulative. In particular, the PDF of the standard normal distribution is denoted by phi, and its CDF by phi. Some common operators: e(x), expected value of x; var x, variance of x; Qwfp y, covariance of x and y. X is independent of y is often written or, and x is independent of y given w is often written or. The posterior probability is the probability of given, i.e., after is observed. Statistics. Greek letters are commonly used to denote unknown parameters. A tilde denotes, has the probability distribution of. Placing a hat, or caret, over a true parameter denotes an estimator of it, e.g., is an estimator for the arithmetic mean of a series of values x1, x2, xn is often denoted by placing an overbar over the symbol, e.g., pronounced x bar. Some commonly used symbols for sample statistics are given below: the sample mean, the sample variance S2, the sample standard deviation S, the sample correlation coefficient R, the sample cumulance Kr. Some commonly used symbols for population parameters are given below: the population mean mu, the population variance sigma 2, the population standard deviation sigma, the population correlation rho, the population cumulance kappa r. Critical values. The alpha level upper critical value of a probability distribution is the value exceeded with probability alpha, that is, the value x alpha such that f equals 1 minus alpha, where f is the cumulative distribution function. There are standard notations for the upper critical values of some commonly used distributions in statistics. Z alpha or Z for the standard normal distribution, T alpha, nu or T for the T distribution with nu degrees of freedom, or for the chi-squared distribution with nu degrees of freedom, or F for the F distribution with nu 1 and nu 2 degrees of freedom. Linear algebra. Matrices are usually denoted by boldface capital letters, e.g., A. Column vectors are usually denoted by boldface lowercase letters, e.g., X. The transpose operator is denoted by either a superscript T or a prime symbol. A row vector is written as the transpose of a column vector, e.g., xt or x. Abbreviations. Common abbreviations include A.E. almost everywhere, A.S. almost surely, CDF cumulative distribution function, CMF cumulative mass function, DF degrees of freedom, IID independent and identically distributed, PDF probability density function, PMF probability mass function, RV random variable, WP with probability, WP1 with probability 1.